Hi dear friends, we have a product in waterproofing range named WaterGuard Eye. WaterGuard Eye is a high performance insulating polymerized waterproof coating. The benefits of using WaterGuard Eye are: it is pre-packed, factory controlled and ensures consistent quality. It has excellent resistance to water, which provides good insulation. Minimum surface preparation is required. It can be applied on horizontal as well as vertical surfaces. WaterGuard Eye has excellent flexibility and is easy to apply. It has excellent bonding with the cement-based substrates. It is durable and high UV resistance. It is non-toxic and corrosion resistant, thus it is eco-friendly. WaterGuard Eye is available in attractive white color. WaterGuard Eye is a two-part polymer-based waterproofing coating, specially designed polymer to ensure perfect water tightness with insulating property to cool down temperatures and ensures the flexibility to cover the thermal stresses. WaterGuard Eye can be used as a thermal insulation coating on concrete metal surfaces, roof slabs, and on walls of buildings. It can also be used on the interior and exterior walls, roof of freezer rooms, and cold storage facilities. Now, how to mix WaterGuard Eye? WaterGuard Eye should be preferably mixed mechanically by using an electric drill and paddle attachment. Then pour the liquid polymer in the container and add powder slowly while mixing continuously until you get an even homogeneous mix of brushing consistency. The prepared surfaces must be thoroughly wetted with water for absorption and excess water must be removed. WaterGuard Eye must be applied in 2-3 uniform coats. Mixed WaterGuard Eye will remain for 20 minutes at 35 degrees Celsius. Mixing in small quantities is recommended. For moderate and heavy load areas, minimum 2 mm thickness coating is recommended. WaterGuard Eye is a pre-packed 2-component system consisting of 10 kg powder plus 5 kg liquid. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.